Hi everyone, today I will show you how to fix Windows 11 Alt+Tab not working problem. Before moving on to the video, you can support me by liking the video and deliver this video to people who are looking for this video like you. Let's start. Before we move on to our first solution, we check if Windows is up to date. To do this, we come to the search section and write Settings. Then click on Windows Update. Click Check for Update to check if Windows has an update. My Windows is up to date. If there is an update you need to do, be sure to do it. Our first solution is to change the multitasking setting. To do this, we come to the search section and enter Settings. Then we enter Multitasking in the System section. After doing this, we set the Alt+Tab setting to open Windows only. This was our first solution. Now we will move on to our second solution. Our second solution is to restart Windows Explorer. To do this, we click on Task Manager. Then we scroll down and find Windows Explorer. After doing this, we right-click on Windows Explorer and click on Restart. This was our second solution. Now we will move on to our third solution. Our third solution is to change our Alt+Tab feature. To do this, we come to the search section and enter the registry editor. Now we have a file to find. As you can see, there are a lot of files here. I'm going to move slower than usual to avoid any confusion. We found our file. Now we right-click on the white area and select DWORD 32-bit value from New. Then we name the file Alt+Tab Settings. Then we double-click on the file we created and set the value to 1. We need to restart our computer for this change to be applied. I'm not going to reboot as I'm recording video right now, but you have to reboot. After restarting your computer, you can check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to our fourth solution. For our fourth solution, we will use CMD. We come to the search section and write CMD. Then we run CMD as administrator. I put the codes I wrote in CMD in the description section. You can use it by copying and pasting from there. After typing the code, we press Enter. This process may take a while, please be patient. Now we write our second code and press Enter. We are done with CMD. What we have to do now is to restart our computer. After rebooting, you can check if the problem is solved or not. We have come to the end of the video. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care, and see you in the next video.